saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now?
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a couple things. One is do a little prep to this car to get it ready for Mustang week, and one of the things I got to do is we're getting close to 3,000 miles since I put the supercharger on. I changed the oil then, but I'm going to give it another oil change because I got a 12-hour trip for Myrtle Beach Mustang week, so we're going to change the oil and get some fresh oil in it before that trip. And I've got a slow leak in my back left tire, and I found a little nail in it, so I'm going to take the tire off and patch it today so we don't have no trouble with that. And then I've also got some footage from the other day. Went over and helped over. We've got the 7.5 rear end out of Mr. Hankey, the peg leg rear end out, and we've got an 8.8 in there now. So I got the footage from that. I just set it up on a tripod and let y'all kind of see what we were doing. I hope y'all enjoy that footage. Guys, I'm headed to the shop. We'll see you there. got the oil change in the car, we got the left rear tire off and got it patched, so no more leaking tire, and we are good to go to Mustang week. And we will be leaving out 4 a.m. Monday morning, headed that way. We'll be going through Nashville, then down through Atlanta, kicking over into South Carolina. So guys, I will be bringing y'all footage from Mustang week. It's probably looking like I'm going to be uploading in the AM hours. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm going to try to bring y'all a video every day that I'm there. So guys, it is very important, if you're subscribed to the channel, to ring that bell so you can get notifications when I post a video. And also, for those of you that have not subscribed, subscribe. I am going to be bringing y'all plenty of content from Mustang week. So for those of you that cannot attend and wanted to attend, you get to experience it with me. Guys, here's the footage from us putting the 8.8 in Mr. Hankey. I hope y'all enjoy it.
Yeah, I kind of figured Jerry was probably going off. She had well great. Maybe we just take one off the car and then
Take one off the
Got solid bushing over here.
Alright guys, as y'all seen in the video, I hope y'all enjoyed the clip of us just working, but we've got the 8.8 rear end in, we got the upper and lower adjustable control arms with the spherical bushings, and we still got to replace the shocks and stuff like that, but we wanted to get it swapped up and in there. We also got the BBK X pipe on, and we're gonna do the bullet style mufflers. So we're gonna do the bullet style mufflers like it's on Kayla car. It sounds pretty good, so we're gonna let this down and get it out of here. I just wanted to show you all what we got going on with Mr. Hankey. We're gonna let it down, and we're gonna see what it sounds like with the X pipe on there. I love that. I swear we need to leave it like that. Guys, we was out at Dover's and we washed it. Some kind of new towel they got out, clay bar type of deal. It worked wonders on the car, and then put a sealer on it, and have to thank Dover for that. He did a lot of it with us, me and Cody and Dover tag teamed it a little bit, and man, let me tell you, looks amazing. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.